I like to set them up. The way I like to do it is start up here on top. You'll find the little area that helps you guide it in. Push it right along and it'll go inside the groove until you reach there. Then you just push it up into the slot, and then on the bottom it'll push right into its little slot. And then you come around here and you just fold this right back into the groove here. Very simple. Tuck this under, put the Velcro back on, tuck that back in its channel. This one goes back in. There you go. Come back. Same thing, it's got this little channel here. It's got a guide on these newer models. Just got to get it in there and slide right on. You can push this up in, and the same on the bottom. It'll go back into its groove. Tuck this back under.